my god, you muppet Nissan that was behind us. Yes, I did. Yes, that Nissan, yeah, he stopped on a painted island, that Nissan behind us. Yeah, I know.
A few moments later.
So that part here on the left's not too bad. Looks full there, I reckon. Oh my god, that's not a wrong thing driving this time, but this time a Honda Accord clipped the solid line when entering the turning lane. We'll go up, that's all we'll do.
A few minutes later.
Oh my goodness, that Nissan in the right lane's going more than 60 k's an hour. What is he doing? Oh my goodness. What is going on with wrong thing drivings at night times today? Wow.
Oh, sure. A few moments later.
And oh my goodness, that Hyundai back there driving in on the bike track.
A few moments later.
Whoa, 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 isn't he very nice?
A few moments later.
Whoa, 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 isn't he very nice? Whoa, 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 isn't he very nice? Whoa, 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 isn't he very nice? Whoa, 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 isn't he very nice?
A few moments later.
That will be fast forward.
Yeah.
I've never done a fast forward one.
No.
When there's a car speeding in front of us.
Oh, he's all the way up there now because he's going over the speed limit.
Yeah. That is naughty driving.
Yeah. You like older songs, don't you?
Yeah, I like 50s, 60s and 70s songs.
Yeah, nice. You like this song? You know I play guitar?
Yeah, no, I didn't know that. I also play guitar too, but
Do ya?
but I can't do hard chords yet.
No, it's
So
okay.
I gave up on guitar for a while, and then that was hard chords I did.
Yeah.
Then I did easy, and then I finally gone back. But I did easy chords to start off.
Ah, okay. And that's
A few moments later.
Hopefully we don't see anyone else being silly, hey?
Yeah.
What is it with this road and people getting really close to me?
Oh, they tailgating you at the back.
Yeah, he's tailgating me.
Oh, I don't have a back cam for that.
No, that's okay. That's alright.
I'll get another GoPro camera with a back cam anyway.
Yeah, you reckon?
Yeah. That's white Volkswagen speeding in front of us, isn't it?
Not much. Not to be pulled over, I don't reckon. It'd be going about between 80 and 85.
Oh, that will be fast forward, that one.
Yep.
will be editing them first.
Wait, editing these ones?
Yes.
Nice.
Well, that
A few moments later.
Wow, 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 isn't he very nice?
A few moments later.
Wow, 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 isn't he very nice? Wow, 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 isn't he very nice?